Lume. Oh.
Magla-live ako.
Oh.
Sige, mag-live ka.
Then I want to say it's in February 2020. So they have to give away for me. Important sa dito yung magwala.
The last man who has fulfilled his obligation. Therefore, this party is a good time to say thank you to our brother, to our friend, for finding a room in his heart for us in every day of his life. So it is our way of reminding him that we are always here for him. So, this afternoon is a celebration of Thanksgiving in the life God has given to our lovable celebrator. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our celebrator. Let's put our hands together. Together, with his loving wife, Mr. Adele, and their daughter, Eliza. Let us all welcome.
Okay, upo na po tayo. Upo muna kayo, baka... Upo na, upo na.
So, meron dapat po tayong konting trivia about Brother Romeo. So, nag-research ko po sa kanya, but then I think it's a good source now. So, Brother Romeo was
Oh, ang video. Tapos, no time out, maribigita pa eh. Pati alda pong
Wait.
Video is video ka pa na, direct-direct
Wah, kasi ata di send ko may sa akin.
Isa, may natatato rin ha.
Ay, pinakamasaya!
Masaya daw, hindi maingay.
Ayun, nakato, nakakulo.
Masaya, hindi maingay. Masaya, hindi maingay.
Liza! Paano yung paborito niya ng birthday? Bumalik ka masaya.
Eliza!
Basta may bingay.
Eh, dahil sa malayo.
Eliza, ito bing, kaunti kwada.
Bumalik ka. Kay Juan.
Pilaya mo.